So let us start. Let us continue yesterday's class here. D drive, Java. Yes, yesterday's class. It's D2. Yes. Yes, what is Java? Java is a OOP language. Yes, OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. Okay. Yes, JDK software. Java, it's JDK is Java software, Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Okay. 1 second. Yes, still guys are joining. Okay. So JDK originally from the, yes, let us review yesterday's class. JDK originally from the Sun Software. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. That history I will explain today. That history. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. First version of Java released in year 1995. JDK 1.0. First version of Java released in year 1995. 1995. Yes, how many years? Almost 27 years. Java. 27 years. Yes, JDK 1.0 released with below features like independent of platform. Yes, portability, OOP language, scalability, and security. These are initial features of Java. Next version of Java, JDK 1.1 in the year 1996. 1996. Yes, the JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. First one, Java Standard Edition. Okay. Next one, yes, Enterprise Edition. Just 1 minute. I'm taking some water. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Yeah. So here, yes. So Java Standard Edition, JDK 1.1 divided into three editions: Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition. Later, other versions. Out of this, JDK 1.5 main important version. Tiger version, year 2004. Yes, many features were added. Yes, fourth edition Java effects also added. Okay. Finally, JDK with 4 editions. Okay. So Java got the success JDK 1.5. That means almost was taken for 10 years. 10 years. Okay, fine. Yes, what are these editions here? First one, Java Standard Edition. It's a Java technology. Java technology. It's our syllabus. Okay. Java Enterprise Edition. It's application development purpose here. Apps, their applications. Yes, in our life, in our real life, we are using, in daily life, we are using different applications. So these all the frameworks comes on this category here. Okay. Next, mobile edition. This area Java is very poor. Yes, for this Android is recommended. Yes, Java effects, visual effects. Yes, this area is a Java course for this purpose using Premiere software. Mostly used Premiere, old one Maya software. Okay. Yes, this area Java not using here. Now these two editions. What's the purpose of these two editions? Let us see. Java stand edition, it's a Java technology, means our course. So this is our syllabus, right? Yes, it's our syllabus. Yes, our syllabus already explained. Yes, already showed. Java technology means yes, Java language syntax, Java language fundamentals, Java oops, next Java strings, Java exception handling, Java collections, Java networking, Java files, and all this comes under technology here. That's our syllabus. Okay. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a framework. Let us see about this. Yes, about framework. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes. So this is for application developments. Yes, all frameworks comes in this category. Yes, all frameworks. Yes, these all are frameworks. All are frameworks here. All frameworks. But let us see what is a framework. See, let us see Java frameworks. What are the Java frameworks? Java frameworks. What are, just one second. Let me mute everyone. Here, Java frameworks. First one, Struts framework. Yes, very old framework. Almost it's outdated. It's no one using Struts framework. Struts framework. Yes, next. Yes, Spring framework. Spring framework. Spring framework. Next, Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Okay, next one. Yes, Hadoop framework. Hadoop. Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework. Okay, next one. Yes, Spark. There are big data frameworks. Spark framework. Spark framework. Next, yes, Spring Boot framework. Latest. Okay, there are the different frameworks here. Okay. So exactly what is framework? What is a frame? First of all, what is a framework? What's a framework? First of all, what's a framework? Framework. What's a framework? See, framework contains all ready-made classes here. Framework. A framework is a ready-made one. Ready-made one. Ready-made one. Framework is ready-made one. Ready-made one and ready to use. Ready to use without writing codes. Ready to use. Ready to use without writing codes. Without writing codes. Without writing codes. Okay. Yes, much coding is not required. With frameworks, much coding is not necessary here. Framework is ready-made one and ready to use. Okay, it contains all predefined classes. All predefined classes. For everything, predefined classes available. Predefined classes. Predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes. For example, here, for example, database. Java application, Java app, yes, connect to database. Connect to database. Database. Database, right? For this, we need to write some JDBC coding. Java database connect JDBC coding. JDBC coding. Yeah, this is around yes 100 to 150 lines of code. Lines 150 lines of code required. 150 lines of code required. If you're writing your own codes, let me show that. See, advanced Java JDBC. So this is yes database coding. Yes, database coding. Connecting to database. All validations. and get connection database. Yes, data processing here. Yes, how many lines of code here? 165 lines of code, right? 160 lines of codes, 165 lines of codes. This much of code with all the validations. Many validations are done in this. Okay, 165 lines of code here. So many validations, many imports like this, many validations here. Lot of validations. So 165 lines of code, right? So if you are JDBC coding around 100 to 150 lines. Suppose if you're writing on your own here, just you are write 100 to yes 150 lines, even sometimes 200 lines of code also. But using Hibernate, yes, using Hibernate we can avoid that code. Hibernate, yes, using Hibernate, yes, we can avoid. Yes, we can avoid the JDBC coding. It's not necessary here. We can avoid it. So Hibernate, here there are predefined classes. For JDBC purpose, predefined classes available. For JDBC purpose, predefined classes available. You can take that predefined class, plug it into projects. The predefined like this kind of code, already code developed, already code is available. Yes, you take the predefined class and plug into project here. Just you have to plug in this code, already developed classes in Hibernate, already developed class available. Take that class here and plug it into projects and use. So without writing code, we can do that here. So your framework is ready-made one. Okay. Yes. See here, we can take. See, we can take. Yes, we can take. Yes, all classes. Yes, we can take all classes. Classes from the framework and plug it into projects. Just to plug in into projects. Plug in into project. Plug in into projects. Okay. Yes, we can take. Yes, we can take all classes, all predefined classes, all predefined classes, all predefined. Predefined is already defined, already available classes. So we can take all the predefined classes from the framework, frameworks, and yes, and build the and plug in into projects, build it here. Just build. We can build the project here. We can build it. Just plug in and build the projects. Just we can build the project here. Simply can build the projects. So without writing codes, yes, we can build the projects. So we can avoid the codes. Okay, ready-made classes. So without writing codes, take that all the classes, build the project here. Yes, it becomes very simple and easy. Within short time, you can finish. See, I'll tell you some example here. Suppose, for example, here, constructing bridges. One more some example here. Some example. Suppose constructing bridges. Constructing bridges. Suppose constructing some bridges. See, when you constructing bridges, how bridges are constructing? See, very old days. In old days, first raising pillars. Yes, on top of pillars, laying bridge. That is old technology. Okay, raising pillars on top of pillars, laying bridge. But nowadays, what they are doing here? Yes, nowadays, latest technology. Nowadays, simply just raising pillars. Okay, just raising pillars. Even raising pillars are nowadays machinery available. So we think using that within short time finishing. Okay. See, on top of pillars, what they are doing, just assembling blocks. Just they are assembling blocks here, assembling some blocks. Yes, ready-made blocks available nowadays. Okay. Need not lay the complete bridge. Laying complete bridge not necessary here. Yes, assembling blocks available. Yes, that blocks available. Simply bringing all the blocks and assembling that shit here. So within short time, they can finish. See, in Hyderabad last year, in COVID time, yes, almost 6 months, lockdown, right? Yes, the TS government utilized that period, 6 months lockdown period. Yes, roads are free, so easy to work. So during that 6 months of period only here, almost 10 bridges they have constructed. Just particularly in this in our Gachwal area, 10 bridges constructed. Yes, more than 10 bridges in the entire city. Within 6 months, they complete how? Yes, by assembling the blocks, ready-made blocks available. Ready-made blocks available. By assembling, they are finished here. Okay. Next, one more example. One more example. One more example. Yes, ready-made houses, right? Ready-made houses. Ready-made houses. See here, construction company. For example, L&T, most famous for the construction in India. L&T company, they have the ready-made houses. So whenever construction is there, maybe highways, roads and highways. Okay, so that case, what happens here? Yes, simply they will build the houses. Yes, ready-made, everything is ready-made, like ready-made walls, ready-made floor, ready-made doors, ready-made roof, ready-made steps, and everything is ready-made, readily available for them. Because simply they will assemble all the things, they build the house within one day. Within one day, building houses. Yes, maybe 50 to 100 houses they will build here at some location for their workers' purpose. For their workers' purpose. Suppose work is completed, same house is moving to other location. Yes, again assembling house and building house. Yes, within one day finishing many houses, right? How? Because of ready-made one. Same framework is exactly same as like that. Frameworks are exactly like that. Frameworks are exactly like that. Within short time you can finish. Within short time. See here what is the advantage of frameworks here. Advantage of frameworks. Yes, advantage of frameworks. Advantage of frameworks. First point, we can reduce the code. First step, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the code. So with frameworks, we can reduce the code. Okay, we can reduce the code here. Right, okay. Yes, coding. Much coding is not necessary. Okay, even you don't have the much coding knowledge, no issue. A ready-made frameworks available. You can build the project simply using frameworks. Much coding knowledge is not necessary using frameworks. We can reduce the code. So once the code reduced, what happens here? Time. Yes, time of projects. Yes, time of projects. Time of project development will be reduced here. Project development reducing here. This is main important. Time important here. Yes, clients expecting. Yes, within short time projects nowadays. So time of project development reducing here. Time of project development reduced here. Time of project development reduced. Okay, reduced here. Okay, next. Yes. Much Java resource not necessary here. Much Java resources. Yes, we can reduce resources here. Okay. Yes, reducing resources cost here. Yes, reducing resources cost. Hello. 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 At just 1 minute. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, much Java resources not necessary. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yeah, we can. 1 second. 1 second. Yes, we can reduce. We can reduce resources. Resources cost. Number of resource reducing means finally cost of the project you can reduce here. Cost of the projects. Cost of the project reducing. Cost of the project reducing. Cost of the project reducing. Okay. See what happens finally here. Finally here. Delivering project to clients within short time. Yeah, that is client expectations. Yes, within short time expecting with less amounts. Okay, so here reducing cost as well. Development time was reduced within short time delivering to the client location, delivered to client with less cost. That is, yes, client always need like that on here. They want less price as well. Yes, short time. Yes, that is expected. That is advantage of frameworks. Okay, that is advantage of frameworks here. Okay, right? Yes, so this is about frameworks. Now, let us see. What are the purpose of different frameworks? First about struts framework. So what is struts framework? Struts framework. So this is to develop web applications, web apps, web applications, web application. What is web application? I'll tell you. Just a minute. Struts framework is for the web application. Next, Spring and Hibernate. Spring and Hibernate. Yes, Spring and Hibernate. Yes, this is for the yes enterprise applications. This is for enterprise apps, enterprise applications. See, web applications. What is web application? Web application. This handles small scale transactions. Small scale transactions. Yes, if it's handling small scale trans, that is web application. Small scale. Enterprise application, large scale. Yes, it's a large scale. It's a large scale. Large scale transactions. Large scale transactions. Large scale transactions. Okay, web applications, small scale transactions. Yes, enterprise applications, large scale transactions here. Okay. See, for example, web application, websites. For example, websites. So Durga websites. How many visitors per day? Maximum 500 to 1000 members. Suppose our company, how many visitors? Say maximum 1000, 2000. Salitech. Our TCS company. TCS, how many websites, how many customers visiting care? Maybe 10,000 maximum. So less number of transactions. Suppose let us take some application like a Flipkart application. How many delivery daily? Many things deliver, right? Many orders. Facebook, many is working, right? That is large scale application here. Yes, small scale transactions, that is called as web application. Yes, large scale transactions called as yes, enterprise applications. Yes, all the enterprise applications developing using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Web applications purpose we can start framework. See, Python is suitable for only web applications, means small scale. If application handling small scale transaction, that case Python is fit. Suppose large scale transactions, Python fails, cannot handle. Python is not fit for the enterprise application area. Enterprise applications, very large number of transactions like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, next Gmail service, next YouTube, yes, next GoToMeeting, GoToTraining, Flipkart, Amazon online service. There are big applications, large scale transactions. That area Python is not fit. That area Java is no doubt. Java is leader. Yes, in market application development, applications, Java is leader. See, 90% of internet-based applications, 90% of internet-based applications, 90% of internet-based applications, internet-based apps were developed in Java. Developed in Java. Okay, 90% of this is not only for this year. Yes, not only for enterprise applications, even for ERP. Yes, ERP apps also can be developed. ERP apps also can be developed. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. What is enterprise? Let me show that. Enterprise. See, enterprise is like this. Enterprise means it's a large scale business is a enterprise. Company with large scale business is enterprise. This is enterprise. Yes. Some manufacturing industry, that is enterprise. Like many departments, there are many departments. This whole thing is the enterprise. See, purchasing departments, stores departments, next raw material departments, yes, next manufacturing department, production department, quality control departments, costing department means estimating cost of item, marketing and sales departments, customers department here, assembling departments, shipping goods, shipping department here, okay, finishing and semi-finished means warehouses, okay, next see accounting department, yes, next HR department, okay, next payroll generation here, all these various activities, company assets maintaining here, bank transactions, like various transactions, right? How to manage various activities, many activities in the company, many departments, around 25 to 30 departments. How to manage all the departments, every activity of company should be managed here. For example, manufacturing industry, suppose Maruti Suzuki manufacturing industry, yes, many departments. Yes, Volkswagen, yes, current project, our current project is Volkswagen project. We are developing for this kind of is Java using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. We are developing using Spring and Hibernate framework only. We are developing this application, same exactly this application we are developing now. Okay, to manage all these activities, some application, that is nothing but ERP, enterprise resource planning. Okay, so these kind of applications also we can develop in Java. This kind of applications also we can develop in Java here. ERP apps also can be developed here. So 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java. Next, ERP apps also we can develop in Java using Spring and Hibernate framework. Okay, see this ERP application development, Python is not fit in this area. Python you can't use. Python cannot. Python, yes, don't have that much of features. Okay, in Java, any kind of application you can develop here. Yes, small applications, big applications, ERP applications, any kind of application, nothing impossible in Java. Okay, next, apart from this, one more important topic. Yes, Hadoop and Spark frameworks. They are the Java frameworks. Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark. So these are also Java frameworks. Hadoop and Spark framework. What is the purpose of this one here? These frameworks. Yes, these frameworks. Yes, yes, to handle big data challenges. These frameworks to handle big data challenges. Big data challenges. Big data challenges. Big data challenges. Handling big data challenges. Okay. Big data. What is big data? Big data means really it's a big one. Big data. What is big data here? See, data like kilobytes of data. Yes, megabytes of data. Yes, gigabytes of data. Yes, terabytes of data. Yes, petabytes of data. Okay, next exabytes of data. Yes, zettabytes of data like this. Yes, this up to GBC is small data. See, up to 1 TB. See, up to, yes, up to 1 TB is a small data. It just comes on the small data. It's a small data. Small data. See, terabyte to zettabyte is a big data. Big data. For example, Facebook per day generating 5 petabytes of data per day. Per day. See, Facebook generating 5 petabytes of data. Yes, YouTube, Facebook, YouTube, Flipkart. Next, Amazon online services, WhatsApp, Gmail. Next, stock exchange applications, mobile applications, mobile services. There, yes, these applications having many customers. Facebook having many customers. Okay, mobile communication like Airtel having many customers. Handling that much of customers, like banking applications, many customers. Trading like yes, stock exchange trading here. Yes, many customers. Yes, that kind of application generating big data. Yes, how to handle that big data? Big data challenges. What are the big data challenges? Anyone idea? Big data challenges. Yes, big data mean what are the challenges? Yes, mainly storage, data storage, big data storage, data storage, data storage main problem, main issue here. See here up to 1 TB data. Oracle database you can use, MySQL database you can use, Microsoft SQL servers you can use. That old databases, that old systems like Oracle database, MySQL database, Microsoft SQL server, DB2, old databases you can use for the 1 TB data. But petabytes of data generating here, how? Where to store? What is solution? Hadoop. Storing big data, Hadoop. Hadoop and Spark, storage and processing, big data processing, storage and processing here. Storage and processing here. Okay. Yes, here Hadoop and Spring framework. Sorry, Hadoop and Spark. That the framework to store and process big data, to handle big data challenges. Big data challenges. They are the big data challenges. Data storage, data processing. See, not only data storage, data processing, even backup, daily taking backup, big data backup, it's not easy. Okay, next, disaster management is not easy. Big data disaster management is not easy. Next, big data high-end systems required. Like this, lot of challenge with big data. That is Hadoop topic. Yes, about this Hadoop topic, one day I will explain. Yes, in Java, once we enter into Java, one day I'll explain about what is Hadoop exactly, what is big data, what are the challenges as in big data, all that I'll take separate one day. For every batch, I'm taking one class on Hadoop and big data. I'll explain that knowledge also. I'll give you that knowledge also. Okay. Yes. Fine. So here, so a big data application, so big data apps, so big data area, so big data area also we can use Java. Big data area also Java is the Java providing solutions. Area also Java providing solutions. Java providing solutions. Yes, Java giving solutions to many kind of things. Java giving many solutions. That's the reason Java got this much of popularity. See, nothing impossible with Java. Using Java, any kind of application you can develop. Any kind of applications you can develop here. That is potentiality of Java. That's the reason Java got this much of popularity. So these are the different frameworks in Java. Such framework is for the web applications with small scale applications here. Yes, Spring and Hibernate. Yes, Spring and Hibernate, this you can use for small scale as well as large scale. For both you can use, both cases you can use. Both cases. Okay. Hadoop and Spark, big data applications. Okay. Next, Spring Boot, it's advanced version of Spring framework. Advanced version, latest version. That's it here. So these are things about the framework. So frameworks are ready-made one. So ready to develop the projects here. Within a short time, you can finish the projects with reduced cost. Less time with less cost. That is client what expectation. Clients what their expectation here, what here. Within short time they need projects and with less cost. Same. That's it. So this is about different frameworks. So they about different editions of Java. Okay. See here by the year 2010, by the year 2010 here 90% of 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. Yes, what's the reason? Why migrated? Reason. Let us see reasons. Various reasons. That existing apps by the year 2010. 1 second, let me have some water. Yes, by the year 2010. Yes, 90% of existing applications. Yes, were migrated to Java. What's the reason? Existing apps. So what are the existing apps? Yes, by the year 2010. First one, Microsoft Technologies. Visual Basic. Okay, next VC++ and .NET. They're Microsoft. They are from the Microsoft. So they're existing, yes, Visual Basic applications, VC++ applications, .NET applications. Okay, next. Yes, C and C++ apps. Okay. Next, ERP applications. ERP like SAP, SERP like SAP and Oracle ERP. SAP and Oracle ERP. They're existing applications. These were migrated to Java. Why? What reason? Reasons. Let us take this one here. First one. Yes, by the year 2010, only these are applications in the market here. Apart from Java applications also. Okay. Now existing applications. These are from the Microsoft. These are from Microsoft. They're from the Microsoft. Yes, what is disadvantage with Microsoft technologies? Yes, they are Microsoft technologies here. Yes, anyone idea here? Microsoft technologies, what's the disadvantage? Yes, disadvantage with Microsoft technologies. What's the disadvantage? Anyone idea? Disadvantage with Microsoft technologies. Yes, Windows based. Yes, Windows OS based. Windows OS based means platform dependent. Platform dependent. Platform dependent. So what? Yes, even platform dependent. What's the problem? Let us see that problem also. Of course, Microsoft technologies are Windows based. Then what's the problem with you? Why independent required? Why independent platform required? Platform dependency. What's the why? Yes, one second. Platform dependency. What's the problem with platform dependency? Let's see that. See, Windows OS based, right? Windows OS. See, disadvantage with Microsoft technologies are these are Windows based. So what's the problem with Windows OS? Yes, Windows OS. Yes, what's the problem with Windows OS? Anyone idea? You guys tell me. What's the problem with Windows OS? What's the problem with Windows OS? Anyone idea? No idea? Yeah, right. Sundar Raman. Right, you are right. Yes, Windows OS is not a secure OS. Is not a secure OS. Is not a secure OS. Okay. Yes, chance of virus, and data hacking with Windows OS. Yes, data hacking dangerous. Yes, private data hacking. Suppose in banking, customers data hacking. Yes, suppose accounts hacking, dangerous, right? Yes, so Windows is not secure. Yes, if not secure, client never prefer Windows OS, right? Then what's the alternative? The clients never preferring Windows OS to run their application. Client never preferring Windows OS. Then what is the alternative? Yes, for Windows, what is the alternative in the market here? Windows OS. What is the alternative OS? Which is secure OS? Which is most secure OS? 100% secure OS. What is that? Yes, Linux, right? Linux is a Linux is a secure OS, 100% secure. Okay, now Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Yes, more famous, most popular. Yes, Red Hat Linux. Yes, most popular. Yes, most popular in the market here. Yes, because of security reason, most popular. Got the most popularity with this OS, Red Hat Linux OS. Yes, since 1999, I'm working on the Red Hat Linux OS. Sorry, 1999 started my Linux career. Linux and Java parallelly working. Red Hat Linux 2003 released. Okay, Red Hat Linux 2003. 1999 Linux is there. Okay, yes, Red Hat Linux is most popular. Right? Most popular. Okay, now client preferring Red Hat Linux OS. Client preferring Linux OS. That means that application has to run on Linux OS. Right? Suppose if it is Microsoft technologies, no. Yeah, these are OS dependent, Windows OS dependent. Since these are Windows OS in OS dependent here, to run on Linux OS here, they have changed to Java. Yes, Java is independent platform. Okay. Yes, to run on Linux OS. Okay. Yes, that app. Yes, that technology. What are the technologies you get? The technology. Yes, should be independent of OS here. It should be independent. Anytime changing ways should be independent of ways. So what's the technology? Java. Java is a solution for this. Java is a solution. Yes, Java is a solution for that. Yes, since Java is an independent platform, most of the Microsoft clients were migrated to Java. Yes, that is important. That's the reason Java got the popularity. Because since yes, Java is independent of the platform. Okay, independent of platform. Okay, yes, yes, most of the Microsoft clients. Yes, most of the Microsoft clients were migrated Java. Migrated Java. That's it. That's the reason. So next, come to C and C++ applications. Yes, when it comes to C and C++, what's the drawback with this C and C++ apps? Yes, GA programming is not available. GA programming is not available. These are problems. GA programming not available. Not available. Okay, GA programming is not available. C and C++. That's a drawback with this. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes, in Java GA. So JSP, Java JSP. Yes, GA you can develop it. GA. This is GA. Yes, this kind of thing. GA. Yes, this is GA, right? GA. Because this kind of GA facility. Okay. Not available. This kind of GA facility is not available in C and C++. There's drawback with C and C++ applications. So these applications also migrate Java. So next, other one, ERPs. So third one, ERP applications. Why the ERPs migrated Java here? Yes, Java supports ERP also. Okay. Yes, costly in licensing here. Costly in licensing here. Costly in licensing here. Yes, SAP ERP costly, Oracle ERP costly. So lot of maintenance every year. Okay. Yes, lot of maintenance. The company has to pay. The clients have to pay a lot of amount every year. Licensing costly here. Costly in licensing here. Okay. Yes, Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware, right? So need not to pay anything here. No licensing cost, nothing here. It's a freeware. Since it's a freeware here, most of these clients also migrate to Java. So most of these existing, so 90 by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications for migrated Java means most of the clients for migrated Java. So that's the reason Java got the popularity. Okay. So next one more thing here. See in the year 2010, yes, in the year 2010, yes, Java was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. See, Oracle Corporation facing competition with the Microsoft. Oracle Corporation facing competition with Microsoft. To compete with Microsoft, they have taken Java. Once Java taken over, what happens here? All clients will come to my Oracle Corporation. Yes, all the Java clients move to Oracle Corporation. Now all the clients with Oracle Corporation. Okay, Oracle Corporation. Okay, right? Yes, after taken by the Oracle Corporation, yes, Java has become leader. Okay, after taken over. See, after taken over by Oracle Corporation. So Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes, Java has become leader. Java has become leader in the market. Yes, in the software field. Right? Java has become leader in the software field. Yes, that is the history of Java. Yes, why Java has this much of popularity? What's the reason? This is a reason for this. Okay, so this is the reason why Java got this much of popularity. So 90% of existing applications are developed in Java only. Yes, maybe internet-based applications or ERP applications, big data applications. Almost all applications were developed in Java here. Okay. Yes. Now, what is present position of Java? See, present position. What is present position of Java? Present position of Java. What is present position of Java? Present position. See, 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java. So 90% of yes, internet-based apps developed in Java, right? Developed in Java. Okay, now currently existing 90% of internet-based applications are in Java, developed in Java. Okay, but developed in Java. Okay, right? Next, same 90% of ERP apps, 90% of ERP apps also developed in Java. Yes, also, yes, developed in Java, right? Yes, next, all big data applications, all big data apps developed in Java. Right, okay. Now presently here, yes, lakhs of applications, lakhs of apps developed in Java. Yes, developed in Java. Yes, already development is over, lakhs of applications, still development is going on. Still in Java, many applications they are developing here. Yes, after COVID, many online services increase, right? Online services. So many applications they are developing here. Many applications they are developing since last 1 year. Java requirement, lot of requirement is in market here. Java resources not available, lot of shortage for Java resources. Yes, simply companies are asking for Java trained freshers, that's it here. Yes, even companies are not asking for experienced guys. Yes, even Java trained freshers enough for them. They will take the trained freshers. Yes, they will give again, yes, KT, like something like yes, they will give the, yes, some projects. They'll make you to work on the some dummy projects. After they will move to client location. Okay, simply just learning Java, getting job immediately. Okay. Yes, Python. Yes, since yes, last 1 year. Yes, Python. Okay, fine. Before 1 year, Python taken, but now Python saturated. Python saturated because many students learn Python. Yes, saturated. But Java, no saturation point for the Java. I never seen saturation point for Java. It's a evergreen field, never ending. See here, lakhs of applications developed in Java. See, lakhs of apps were developed in Java, right? But developed in Java to support. See, to support lakhs of apps, just lakhs of apps. See, how it's based on what I'm saying, lakhs of applications. See, companies, many software companies, to maintain their websites, some application required, right? To maintain that internal activities, some applications required. Many software, yes, lakhs of software companies are there. Manufacturing companies, thousands of companies are there worldwide. Lakhs of software companies, thousands of manufacturing industries, lakhs of schools are there, lakhs of colleges, lakhs of supermarkets. Okay, lakhs of hotels. Like this, many things, many online applications, lakhs of online applications, right? Yes, based on the analysis I'm saying here. These all the applications were developed in Java, right? So to support lakhs of applications, yes, how many Java resources required? Just analyze it. How many resources required here? Here, this is analysis. How many resources? Many are required to support lakhs of applications. Millions of resources required. Millions of Java resources required. millions. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. That means crores of employees are there in Java. Okay. Yes, in worldwide population, almost 25 crores of software employees are there. Yes, 750 crores of world population. See this. 750 crores of world population. Okay. Out of that, around 25 crores of software employees are there. Software employees who are using computer, they are software engineers. They are calling as software engineers. Who are using computers, software, right? And more than 25 crores. See, out of 25 crores here, 5 crores Java employees. That's a potentiality of Java. Yes, around 3 to 5 crores of employees are the only Java resources. Java based, Java knowledge based. Yes, nowadays for everything Java required. For testing Java required. Okay, next Hadoop Java required. That core Java, that Java required everywhere nowadays. So Java based employees, many employees. Yes, that's the reason Java got this much popular here. Java, it's evergreen. It's evergreen field. Suppose in future any technology comes. Yes, let us talk about future. Now presently, crores of employees requirement is there. Crores of employees are working in Java. Okay, what's a feature? Suppose in future any technology comes. In future, right now don't have any technology having more than features than Java here. Right now don't have any technology which is having features more than Java. Suppose any technology, new technology comes. That new technology, any new technology comes, that new technology first of all should be freeware, because Java already freeware. Yes, any new technology that they will not give it free of cost. Suppose they are giving free of cost. Yes, then features, right? Features. It has to give the support features more than the Java. Features must be free. Yes, new technology must be freeware, and it should have the features more than the Java. More than the Java. Okay. Yes, next step. Here, suppose the new technology, freeware and features are having more than Java. Okay, then yes, sir. Client looking for maintenance cost also. Suppose maintenance cost also is cheap. Suppose easy to maintain, right? Yes, easy to maintain than Java. Yes, freeware like a Java. Yes, features more than Java. Yes, easy to maintain than Java. By considering all of these things here, then client is ready to migrate into new technology. Okay. No existing system, already application is running here. Client is very happy with Java. Then happy with Java. So why migrating new technology? Yes, he has to take a lot of risk. To migrate to new technology here, yes, he has to stop all the existing activities, then migrating new technology. See, if client is getting more benefit than the Java, then they are ready to move here. Even they are ready to move, it will take some time here. That existing lakhs of applications, lakhs of applications at a time, migrating new technology, is it happens here? Will it happen? No chance. Yes, it will take a lot of time. Minimum 10 years it will be taken here. 10 years. See, currently there is no technology which is having more than features than Java here. Currently don't have any technology more than Java here. Suppose in future, suppose 2020, 30, 2025, let us say 2025. So 2025 any new technology comes. Okay, from that, yes, 10 years, minimum 10 years, plus 10 years. Plus 10 years. Means 2035. By the 2025 here with the new technology, maybe Java maybe outdated. 1 second. So 15 years of time we are getting. 2035. Now we say 2022. So 2035, almost 10 to 13 years we are getting time. Next, one more thing. Suppose any new technology comes, Java guys can easily migrate to new technology. That is the advantage of Java. Who worked in Java, they can work on any field. That's it. That is the advantage with Java. Main advantage of Java here. Who are Java resources? Java resources can survive anywhere in the software field. That's the reason Java knowledge importance nowadays. Companies get Java guys. Yes, companies will ready take Java guys any time here. Java guys are ready to work on any technology. They can work easily on any technology. That is the advantage of Java here. Yes, if you worked on Java for 10 years, any new technology can simply can migrate. You can migrate, but others cannot migrate like that. That is Java. Okay. So that is about, yes, what's the feature? Yes, past we discussed, present we discussed, Java feature discussed. That's all. So that's the reason Java got this much of popular. Yes, you can decide your career, Java career. Yes, today you can decide yourself. Yes, I can work on Java. Yes, you can decide like that. Long lasting career, immediate job after finishing course. Yes, if you practiced well, you get the job immediately. Trained freshers. Many companies are asking for Java trained freshers. After finishing course, immediately you can get this job. That depends on your practice, how much you practicing. If you good at Java practice, if you good at Java technology, immediately getting job. After getting job, yes, even with high pay. Java with one more advantage, highly paid employees. Java employees are highly paid employees compared to any employee in the software field. Okay, Java, 10 years of experience. Suppose Java 10 years, yeah, they will get minimum 25 lakhs package. 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs of package. Okay, Java architect. Yes, see architect. Architect level is my position. Architect minimum 45 lakhs package. Yes, I'm getting that. Okay, I'm getting same package. That's the reason I'm saying here. Architect 45 lakhs of package, you can get it here. Architect means almost 15 to 20 years of experience. Architect. See, experience is not an important here. Is promoting as architect means you must have a lot of knowledge. Yes, lot of technical skills. Lot of technical skills and designing skills. If you have that, she can promote as architect. Yes, many guys working on Java for 20 years, but they cannot promote as the architect. They can promote as manager of different areas, but they cannot promote as architect. Yes, architect generally having more salary. In IT field, architects, Java architect, Hadoop architect, Linux architect, database architect, that architects are having, yes, more importance in the software field. Architects. Okay. Yes, if you have the good experience, good knowledge in technology here, you can promote as architect. If you promoting as architect here, lot of respect for you guys. Architect is having lot of, yes, respect in the company and is getting huge amount of salary. Okay. Yes, that is about Java. One second, let me save this. Saved. Yes, I'll share this one. So that's all about Java history and present position and future. Okay. See, lot of things explained, right? Lot of information given. See, this information is completely my experience. See, most of the trainers, they will collect this information from the different websites. For me, it's not necessary. It's completely my live experience. Since 1993, I'm in the software field. Lot of experience, lot of different technologies. I have the experience here. Okay, it's completely just I'm delivering my experience. That's it here. Okay. Yes, for this purpose, I need not to read any books. Need not read, yes, need not to see any websites. Not necessary here. Okay. Yes, myself, I have this much of knowledge here. Okay. See, my experience, my knowledge is more than the websites in the world. Yes, many Java websites are there, but what I'm explaining here, my explanation, my knowledge, you can't see in any websites. Yes, not only this today here. Going forward, you'll see the classes 2 to 3 days after you decide it. Next two classes, you'll see more and more. Yes, till the end of the course. Generally, most of the trainers, first beginning 1 week, very interesting classes. Next, after 1 week, once batch found, once you paid fees, yes, you will start it. Okay, after you paying fees here, you will start it. You'll start this torture. Not taking classes, not giving proper technology. Not explaining properly here, losing interest day by day. But my classes day by day increasing interest. Till last day also, yes, every student will attend. Till last day of my class, 90 days they will attend here. Day by day increasing interest, day by day increasing interest. And next one more thing, yes, day by day increasing. See, yes, day by day increasing. Yes, there. Yes, sir. Yes, 1 second. What I mean to say here, confidence level. I'll make you to get the more confidence, more and more confidence. Okay, more and more confidence. Pure object oriented programming is different. Java is not a pure object oriented. Yes, Java is not a pure object oriented means everything is an object. Okay, everything is an object in Java. So 1 second. In Java, everything is not an object. Suppose, for example, int a is equal to 10 declared here. Yes is a variable. Suppose this also like a being like object that is purely object oriented. Suppose in Python, yes, a equal to 10 declared. Now for this you create objects. Yeah, this is object in Python. It's object here, but in Java it's a variable. Okay, yes, if everything is object, that is called pure object oriented programming. Okay, purely object oriented programming here. Yes, Python, everything is object. Scala, everything is object. Python and Scala both are purely object oriented programming. Pure means everything is object. If everything is object, that is called purely object oriented programming. In Python, everything is object, no variable concept in Python. Scala, everything is object, no variable concept. But in Java, we can maintain variables as well objects. Both facilities available in Java here. In Java, variables as well objects both are there. Java is not purely object oriented. Python and Scala both are purely object oriented. Is it clear? Yes, I think you understand, Mr. Lakshman Vasu. Yeah, this gave many doubts. Okay, fine. Yes, no worry. Yes, I can explain any kind of things. I think you understand, right? Purely object oriented means if everything is object, that is purely object oriented. Okay, even integer number also storing like objects. Suppose integer 10 storing like objects. Suppose character A, that is storing like objects. Suppose 10 point storing like objects. Suppose value some string, the storing like objects. Yes, if everything is storing like object, that is nothing but purely object oriented. But in Java, it's not like that. Some variables are there, some objects are there. In Python, everything is like objects. Scala, everything is like object. That is purely object oriented programming. That if everything is like objects, all are object formats, that is called as purely object oriented. That's it. Okay, even numbers also storing like object. Character also storing like object here. Yes, real number also storing like object here. That's decimal numbers. String. Everything is like a object format, that is called purely object oriented. But in Java, don't have that. Okay, that's it. I think you understand, right? Yep, that's all about introduction. Yes, I'll share this. Okay, yes. So this is Java introduction. Java past, present, and future. Yes, next we have to start Java features. Independent of platform, portability, group language, scalability. These features you have to start. Yes, this new topic tomorrow will start. Already time almost completed. Tomorrow we'll go for new topic. Okay. Yes, independent of platform, portability, group language, scalability, security. These topics tomorrow will continue. Yes, that's all for today. Still any doubts? Yes, any doubts? If no doubts, yes. Any doubts, guys? 1 second. Yes, I think almost everyone is there in a WhatsApp group. Yes, I'm sharing everyday class in the WhatsApp group. Tomorrow I'll give the drive access. Tomorrow after finishing class, I'll give the drive access. So last two classes shared in the WhatsApp. Yes, yesterday class shared in the WhatsApp. First day class shared in WhatsApp. Yes, today class also share in the WhatsApp group. Yes, still anyone to share your details, share it. I'll add to group. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, I think everyone is there in the WhatsApp group. I think one or two guys. Yes, 8179189123. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. Yes, your name. Okay, next your Gmail ID. Your name required. Next Gmail ID. Share it. I'll add to group. Yes, almost everyone is there in the group. Yes, yes. Here, anything, any requirement is just you can communicate in the WhatsApp group for any question, any doubts. Okay, not only in the class itself, you can ask. Still, you have doubts. Ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, I'll tell you the doubts. Okay, right? Yes, this is your group. Group created. One second. Yeah, this is your group. This is group. Yes, almost 15 members they submitted their details. Still, anyone is there? Please share it. What details I'll add to group. Okay. No. Why required all versions means version-wise features just to learning. Yes, we need now currently Java 8 and 9 required. Java 8 and 9 required. Industry asking for Java 8 and 9. Okay. Yes, if you know the 9 features means 8 features known, 7 features known, all that, right? Low version features. Okay. Yes, you working with Java 8 means you know about all that versions, previous versions. So different versions, different features, right? Same that is extending. So Java 8 industry asking for Java 8 and 9 nowadays. No one asking. 11 and 13, no one asking nowadays. Yes, even still I will explain 11 and 13 also. Okay. Yes. Here, that's all for today. I think no doubts, right? If no doubts, yes, we'll continue tomorrow. So take this WhatsApp number and share your details. I'll let you go. Yes, I think everyone is there in the group. That's all. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Same link tomorrow, same time, 10:30, same time.